Good evening and welcome to this year's A Reason to Taste. My name is Aaron Parkinson. I'm the program chair for the School of Culinary Arts and Hospitality Management. This year's theme is based on a culinary trip we took to France in May. Thank you so much for your continued support of our program. I trust you will have an incredible evening.
So my name is Abraham Juarez. I'm a student here at Ivy Tech Community College in the culinary department, and I'm completing my internship at the food truck.
Hi, my name is Grace, and I'm a current baking student here at Ivy Tech Fort Wayne.
Hi, my name is Natalie, and I graduated this year in May in the baking program.
Growing up, I always loved watching food shows, and I remember there was a day I was at home, and I got super mad because my mom overcooked one of my steaks, and I said, okay, this is what I want to do.
I just think it's like a really good program. I've learned a lot. I've met a lot of cool people.
I enjoyed my time learning from Amanda or Aaron. They taught me a lot.
So you see things that actually do happen in the industry, mess ups on both sides. So maybe you'll fire something that wasn't supposed to be fired yet, or you made too many of something, or you'll see that the servers also forget to ring in things and that sort of stuff. You see that, the mistakes that happen, but that's normal. And like they would always say, I want you guys to make those mistakes here than out there in the field.
When I found out that I was going, I was surprised, I guess. I didn't expect to be picked, but very excited and very nervous because I had never traveled on my own before. It's my first time kind of going by myself or going with peers instead of being with my parents and my siblings.
I was super excited and shocked about it. I've never been out of the country, so it was something brand new to me. So it was very exciting.
The best thing I ate while I was there, it was our only full day in Paris. And me and a couple other people, instead of having the hotel breakfast, we went out to a bakery. You could see the Eiffel Tower from the bakery, and I had this really big pistachio macaron with raspberries and pastry cream inside it. That was my favorite thing I ate.
I've made macaroons before and they're not that difficult, but that was pretty cool seeing the different textures of how we make it to what they make it like.
I had this pistachio croissant there. It had pastry cream in it. I don't know how they did it, but if I could recreate anything, it would probably be that because it was so good.
The dessert that I probably would do, a cheesecake. We had cheesecake there and it was pretty good.
Really a life-changing experience for me and a lot of my peers who were able to do it who really haven't been able to travel like this before.
We went to a chocolate factory and we learned how to separate the cocoa beans and how it makes dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and then the white chocolate. Taking the chocolate and putting it, and then it comes down and then rolls in it. Oh my God, that was so cool. Going behind the machine and seeing how they put it in, oh my God, it was so cool. I was I want that machine now.
Because I'm just a line cook right now. Eventually I would want to become a sous and eventually an executive chef. And who knows, maybe one day open my own business. Those are my dreams. Yeah, I know it's scary. It's very scary, but if your dreams don't scare you, they're not big enough. And remember, tomorrow's just a dream away. That's what I always tell myself. This is the future. All the students here are incredibly talented. And if you enjoy eating out, I think you should definitely support it.
Thank you so much for joining us at A Reason to Taste 2025. Please enjoy your evening.
Got it?
Yeah. Cut.